30 centimeters, sir.
Yes, no. Here, what is the length of the scale is immaterial. We need to find the length of the given object. Nail, what is the length of the nail? As shown there, starting from 0 to, it is not up to 3, it is before 3. In the magnifying glass, I have shown where it ends, 2.9. 2 centimeters, but not going for 3. It is up to 9 millimeter only. So 2 centimeters, 9 millimeters.
2.9 centimeters.
2.9 centimeters. What about the length of the lady finger there?
One minute, sir.
9.2, sir.
If you observe, that is not starting from 0, that is starting from 1.
1. So
It is
it will
not
be
starting from the beginning. In the beginning, 1 centimeter is left already. So here also you have to leave 1 centimeter. So it is not
8.2
it is 8.3.
8.3 centimeters, sir. Done, sir. Nah.
Sir, 8 centimeter and there is, you put anything. I cannot see.
8.3 centimeters understood. 8.3 centimeters. In the beginning, always you have to start from 0. If you leave some space, that has to be removed at the end.
Let us see. Okay.
Look here. This, you have to draw 3 candles and 3 flames on top of it. We are going to calculate the length of each candle and the length of each flame. Here, whatever I have drawn, I will measure this. So based on these measurements, you have to draw the candle and flame. Look at this. What is the length of the candle 1? Any idea? You need a scale for that. See, here I am showing a scale also.
Sir, 2.9 centimeters.
2.9. Check carefully. Length of the scale 2.9. We write in centimeters and meters. It will be 2 centimeters 9 millimeters, or you can write it as simply 2.9. So if you want to draw this picture, you have to draw
Sir,
exactly.
you have to write in textbook or notebook.
See, don't write anything in the textbook. You have to do this in the notebook. In the notebook, you have to draw the candle using scale. Exact length you have to draw.
Shall I write now, sir?
You can write later. Now just answer to my question. You can write this later. Otherwise, if you start drawing all this, it takes time. So you can do this later. Now just answer to my question. Here I am showing the scale. You tell the measurements. First candle 2.9. Okay. Now what is the only flame? What is only flame?
1.9 centimeters.
4.
1.8 centimeters, sir.
Only flame we want. Only flame. 1.3. From the top,
1.3, sir.
from the top, you have to see where the flame ends. 1.3 is the flame.
Yes, sir.
1.3. Okay. What about length of second candle? Scale is shown here. Look at the scale and tell the answer. You can write
Sir,
later. Please give the answer.
4.9 centimeter.
4.9 centimeters.
4.9 or exactly 5? 4.9. Okay.
4.9, sir.
Yeah. You are right. You are right. 4.9 is the length of the second candle. All of you, please look at the screen what I shared. No need to write anything. No need to do anything. Just look at the screen. Scale, candle is there. Answer that. Next. What is the length of the second flame?
Sir, 9, sir. 0.
Only
1.9.
flame. Only flame is required.
1.9, sir.
1.9. It is not 2. It is 1.9.
1.9.
Meghana, mute yourself.
Parents, mute yourself. Meghana, mute yourself. What about this? The third one. Third.
6 centimeters, sir.
Exactly.
Sir, it is. Sir,
Yes.
6 centimeters. It is exactly 6,
It is
sir.
exactly 6. What is the flame? What is the flame? Count.
Sir, it is 1.3 centimeters, sir.
It is 1.4, I think. 1.4.
1.4 m.
Yes, 1.4.
Sir, it is 1.4.
Yes.
Sir, you will send this?
Yes, I will send with answers. Okay, if this is done, there are 2 more activities are there which I'm giving homework. Look at the
Sir, 1
activity.
minute.
Look at this activity.
Okay, sir.
Take some random rods and color it. Iron rods, it is difficult for you to get it. So take some sticks. Different, color them in different colors. Red, blue, green, orange. Take 4 different sticks. Different means different length. And color them to show the difference. You can color by crayon or paint, whatever it may be. Take some sticks and color them randomly. Don't measure that. After coloring, you can measure.
Okay, sir.
So
Sir,
color some sticks. Color
Can you
some
send
sticks.
the activities PDF?
No, this is the activity you have to do practically. After doing it, you can send the result. That how many sticks you colored, how many sticks you colored, and what are the lengths. All this, make a table and show it and take a picture, and whatever the sticks you colored, take the photo of that and send the results.
Okay, sir. Sir, should we make it with a stick?
You can make in a week, no issue, no time. Yeah, next week you can do
Sir,
it.
I have the scale. Can I measure it with this thing?
Yes, you can measure with the scale. Different sticks or iron rods I need. You can take the toothpick also. You can take toothpick, cut it and color it. Different colors I want. Different colors, different length.
Sir, we can choose any color.
Any color, any 4 colors.
Okay, sir.
Guess the length and draw the things. Ask your friends to draw the same. After you make the drawing, use a scale to measure the length. Whose drawing showed a better guess? So this is a group activity. Minimum 2 students has to do this. So you choose your partner and do it. I want this group activity by next week. 2 members has to do this.
Okay, sir. So, sir, there will be a contest like whose is nice.
Yeah, definitely. Who guessed perfectly?
Sir, we have to choose. Sir, we have to choose a friend, and both of us should do this activity.
Yeah, see, it is something like this. I will tell you. You assume something. Here I have mentioned some items. Bangle of perimeter, pencil of length. So you draw a pencil 7 centimeter roughly. Don't use the scale. You draw rough diagram. Be honest. You draw rough diagram of a pencil. Measure it. You may get 7.5. You may get 6.5. No problem. Ask your friend also to do it honestly, and ask your friend to give the result. You compare both. Who is accurate? I need 7 centimeter. Who draw near to that is the winner in that. Similarly, and any something, you assume something and approximate length you assume, then both draw the drawing without looking into it. Actually, this we do in the offline class, because you will be in front of me only. I will ask, assume and draw, you will draw and I will compare. Since you are at home, so better to do as a group activity. 2 students can do. Here I have mentioned many things. Pencil, ant, bangle. You can take any other things also. You have to assume, for example, I have a marker here. Okay. So you assume a marker. You assume that Hussein sir is using a marker of 10 centimeter length. So you draw a line, a picture which roughly 10 centimeters. It can be 8 also, it can be 9 also, it can be 11 also. Because you are assuming, you are not drawing exact shape. You have to assume it. Then both the drawings can be compared. Who is drawing accurate? The main aim of the activity is, when I say 10 centimeter, you should have an idea. Okay, 10 centimeter means this much, or it is double to this, triple to this. So you should have some idea about the measurements, just to make a guess. Who guess almost near, they are the winner. I will share this also. Here I have mentioned some objects. You can take your own objects also. But two members as a group do it. It is a group activity. I need the result by a week. I
Sir,
will
we
give
can
more
choose
instructions.
our.
I will give more instructions in the question. Okay. Look at this. Just answer. No need to write. A and B. What is A? Which is more length, A or B?
B1.
B. Yes.
Yes,
B,
sir.
sir.
B. Can you make a guess? You have to make a guess. What
Sir,
will
it
be
is-
the length of A? What length of B? Just a wild guess. You should, so that the answer, it may not be exactly equal. Just a guess. What will be the length of A? What will be the length of B?
4.9. I think so, sir. 4.9.
A is around 4.5. Just a guess. 4.94 is almost same. In guess, there may be a difference of 1 centimeter here and there, plus minus. What about the length of B?
0.
It is
It is
4.8.
5 centimeter.
No, it is not 5. It is around 4. It is 4.5. If you see, length of A and length of B both are same. You said B
Yes,
is
sir.
more. You said B is more, but
Sir, I didn't told.
yeah, you are taking the extra length of that also. See. Length means up to this only. Both are same. If you consider this also, it looks more. But line segment means only the ends. These extra decorations I am not considering. We are not supposed to consider also. So we have to take only up to this. If that is the case, both are same. 4.5, 4.5. Look at the line C and D here. What is the C length? 3.
Sir, 3, sir. Sir, 3 centimeter.
D.
Yeah. D
Three.
also 3, sir.
Yes, that is also 3. So length of C, length of D, both are equal to 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Activity 3. This don't, I am not giving homework. Okay. Why? Because
How
this
can
is,
we measure the length of the length of the tail of the mouse? We cannot even catch the mouse, sir.
that's why I am not giving homework. I am not giving
Mouse
homework.
and sir, cat is okay, but how about pig and monkey?
That's why I'm not giving homework. Monkey, it is a very easy to catch monkey. In your class, more than 50% are monkeys only. In 5th B, more than 50% are monkeys only.
No, sir.
You are monkeys without tail.
0% of monkeys, sir. We are all humans.
Monkeys without
We are
tail.
not monkeys.
I said 50% of the students are monkeys without tail. Okay, the question is about tail.
Sir, no monkey will there with without tail.
Okay, so this question, this activity I'm not asking to do as a homework. Just here diagrams are there. No, here diagrams are there. By looking at these diagrams, you can make a small guess. Okay, pictures are there. Based on the pictures, you can make a small guess. What is the length of the tail? So I will send this picture. Then you can try the length of the tail by scale. Okay. I think this you can try. This you can try. Ask your parents to give pocket money. Take the pocket money from your parents. 100 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 5 rupees. And you can measure the length and breadth. This you can try. This activity you can try. Okay. So this also I'm giving homework. Altogether 3 activities I'm giving. Okay. Let us move to the last question.
I have a 20 rupees.
Okay, not only 20. So much money I get, 100 rupees, 50 rupees, all. Okay, last question, very important. At the market, when you buy something in the market, the price of the things are not always perfect numbers. 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 30 rupees. No. Sometimes the value of the thing will be in decimal also. Especially when you go to Bata showroom, there 100 rupees will not be there. 99 rupees, 99 paise will be there. Because to avoid the tax, if it is 100 rupees or above, you have to pay one type of tax. If it is less than 100, you have to pay less tax. So they will put 99 rupees 99 paise. But nowadays paise is not available. So what you will do? You will give 100 rupees only. You won't pay 99.99. So price will be always in, they keep in decimal so that they can avoid the tax. Okay. This you might have observed or not, I don't know. If you buy some soap or something, it will be 8 rupees 75 paise, 8 rupees 50 paise. So different prices will be in decimals also possible. Have you ever observed this? Have you ever observed this? Cost of particular thing which is not in perfect values, which is in decimals, which is in paise also. 50 paise, 25 paise, 30 paise, like this price will be in paise also. Okay. What is the cost of a matchbox?
50 paisa.
Yeah. In the previous slide, here it is written matchbox 0.50, that means 50 paise. So cost of matchbox is 50 paise. How many matchboxes can be purchased with 2 rupees 50 paise? With 2 rupees 50 paise.
Not 3.
No.
4, sir, 4.
No. 50 paise. 2 rupees 50 paise.
2 matchbox.
It is
The
250 paise. Listen to me. 2 rupees 50 paise. 2 rupees means 200 paise. 50 paise will become 250 paise. One matchbox. One matchbox cost 50 paise. For 250 paise means 250 by 50. 0 cancel. 5 5 are 25. 5 matchboxes you will get.
5 matchboxes. 5 matchbox.
5 matchboxes. Okay. You can write the question, write the answer also.
Okay, sir.
50 paise. One more 50 paise. One more 50 paise. Like this you can check if you want. 5 5 5 25 250.
That's it. Just 1 minute, sir. Done, sir. 1 minute, sir.
If you don't
For
have the time,
activities,
I will
sir,
send this. I will send.
Sir,
Don't worry, I
1
will
minute.
send this. I will send this. Don't write now. Just listen and answer. What is the cost of a soap? 8 rupees 75 paise. She has a 5 rupee coin, 2 1 rupee coins. and 4 half rupee coins. What is the total money she is having? She is having rupees 5. Okay, 2 1 rupee coins. 2 1 rupee coins means what is the cost? 1 rupee and 1 rupee, 2 rupees. 4 50 paise coins. 50 paise into 4, that is 200 paise. 200 paise means 2 rupees. So total money is 9 rupees. Total 9 rupees she is having. Cost of the soap is 875. 9 rupees minus 875 rupees. 9 rupees means 900. 8 rupees 75 means 875. So 25 paise she will get back from the shopkeeper. She is having 5 rupee note, fine. 1 rupee coins, 2 are there. 2 1 rupee coins means 2 rupees. 50 paise 4 coins. 50 paise 4 coins. 4 into 50, 200 paise. 200 paise means 2 rupees. See, detailed calculation I mentioned there. Money with Arun, 5 rupees 1 coin, 1 rupee 2 coins, 50 paise 4 coins. All together it is 8 rupees 75 paise. 8 rupees 75 paise means 875. From 900, 875 we subtract, we will get 25 paise.
Done, sir.
Those who are, since it takes time to write, that's why I told you I will send this. I will send this, you can write afterwards. Last. Cost of 1 egg is 2 rupees 50 paise. What is the cost of 1½ a dozen? Dozen means 12. Half dozen means 6. So 80 in total, 18 eggs. One half dozen means 12 plus 6, 18 eggs. What is the cost of 18 eggs? Rupees 250 into 18. You can do in 2 ways. Rupees 2 into 18, 50 paise into 18. Do separately. Rupees separate, paise separate. This is 36 rupees. 50 paise into 18, 900 paise. 900 paise means 9 rupees. 36 and 9. 36 and 9 is 45 rupees. Conversion of paise into rupees. So total 18x cost 45 rupees. She is having 60 rupees with her. She will get 15 rupees back. The detailed calculation I mentioned there. Don't write. I will send this. You can copy afterwards. See, if you want to learn this topic, really if you want to learn this topic, then don't depend on my class. You take some money, go along with your parent to a small kirana store. Don't go to supermarkets. Go for small kirana shop, buy 3 to 4 items and ask the price and you pay on your own. Then you will get the calculation. You go and buy a chocolate, not 1 rupee chocolate, 2 rupee 50 paise or 50 paise. Paise chocolates you buy. Then how much you have to give. Then you will learn mathematics. Okay.
Sir, I have already done this.
Then fine. This is about cost of pen. How much money? One pen is 6 rupees 50 paise. Decimals I wanted I gave so that you can learn this. What is the cost of 2 pens? Okay. Mathematics is there in our entire life. So if you do on your own, definitely you will learn.
Okay, sir.
So if you want more experience of this, you do on your own, go to a shop, buy things, and you pay. You go with elders, but you do the calculation. Don't use calculator. Try on your own. Buy 2 things or 3 things, small things. Buy 4 chocolates, buy 1 soap, small things, 3 to 4 items. Take a paper and pen, do the calculation, and give the money and see whether it is right or wrong. So this is how you have to learn. You have to learn by doing. That is the main motto of this topic. So this market problem is very important because in the examination you will get problems on this. Okay. In the next class,
Sir?
we'll do some more questions. Yes.
I also go anytime shop, no, sir. I will only do the calculation, sir.
Ah, very good. Who is that?
Even I.
Who is that?
Sparshado.
Okay,
Sparshado,
Sparshado,
sir.
good. Good. You have to.
Yes, sir.
These are the practical things. You always do calculations on your own. Don't depend on the calculators. You do manually. Then only you will learn mathematics. Good.
I will go for morning milk. That time now I will do only calculations.
Very good. Very good. That's good thing. You have
Sir,
to do
even
it.
me, sir.
Very good. Very good. I gave 3 activities. Do it carefully. And 1 week time is given. No hurry. You take your time and please do it. Group activity, you choose your friend and do it. And don't calculate in the beginning with scale. You try rough measurement, whatever it may be, and measure it. It may be wrong also. Right or wrong is not the question. You have to do the activity. That is important. Okay, see you in the next
Okay,
class.
sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay,
Thank
2 days
you.
ago, 2 days ago, I gave a puzzle. Join 9.4 lines. I have not got any answer. Please give the answer. 9
Sir,
points.
bye, sir.
9 points by 4 lines you have to join. That was a puzzle given. Answer it.